hobby store. My dad said I could only pick one toy horse. My little sister picked a Dutch Warmblood, and I picked a Peruvian Paso. I picked it because I like white, and I like horses to be that way. I like white horses. I think that's the best color for horses. And this is called a Peruvian Paso. A Peruvian Paso can run really fast. I like Peruvian Paso because the name sounds kind of like a smart horse. They say that it's not really a big horse, but it has a big heart. And I like it that way because it sounds it's an interesting horse. And this is a real life picture of a Peruvian Paso. It's trotting in a village. Thank you for listening. Are there any questions?